Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to unhide Instagram Reels video from profile grid. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just head on and open up Instagram right here. Make sure that you have it updated. To check, just go to your App Store or your Play Store, and once you have made sure that it is up to date, just go ahead and open it. And once you are here, just go to your profile page. So for example, if you're currently at your home page, just click on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. Now, once you're here, you should be able to see your Reels on your profile grid or on the Reels tab. So for example, you have unhidden it by accident and you want to restore it. For example, I'm just gonna hide this from my profile grid by clicking on the three-dotted icon at the top right corner of the post and clicking on this remove from profile grid option. As you can see, it has been removed from my profile grid, but it is still on the Reels tab. Now, if you want to unhide that, just tap on your reel right here that you want to show to your profile grid again. And what we're going to do is to actually delete this reel. So don't worry, because your comments and likes will be restored as well. Just follow the steps that I do. So once you have opened up your video reel, just click on this three-dotted icon at the bottom right-hand corner of the post. And from this one, just click on this delete option. Click on that and click on delete once again. So now we are going to restore that reel. So click on this three-bar line icon at the top right corner. Click on your activity right below the settings option. And scroll down a bit and you should be able to see the recently deleted option. Just click on that and you should be able to see the reel that you have just deleted. Click on that and click on the three-dotted icon at the bottom right-hand part of the post again and click on restore. So restoring this reel will automatically have it back on the Reels page and also to your profile grid. So let's check. Let's just refresh our profile page by swiping down. And as you can see, it is now back at our profile grid as well as on the Reels tab. Let's just refresh it. And that is it. So that is how you can basically unhide Instagram Reels video from profile grid. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today and have a great day.